Hey everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and I'm so excited about today's video because it's about these gorgeous flowers here. I'm standing next to a couple of beautiful herbaceous peonies. So I'm in zone 6A and it is very early June. So all of these beauties have been flowering for a few days now, and I just thought it would be fun to talk about a few of my favorite peony varieties. So I want to share these with you. There's so many beautiful peonies out there, but I love these because I like to try things in my own yard, my daughter's garden, and then just make sure that they're really hardy and they're going to be great performers for you. So the ones that I'm sharing today have performed really well for us. So number one is this beautiful peony flower here, and this is called Raspberry Sundae because it looks like its name here, ice cream in a cone, and you can see it in a couple different stages. It's a very frilly flower and it is two-toned. So this one here is a beauty. And next to it over here, we have Kansas. So it's starting to fade a little bit, but normally it is a bright fuchsia. It looks stunning in bouquets. It's very frilly, and this one here is slightly fragrant, so makes a gorgeous bouquet. So I walked over here to show you this peony variety to find that my granddaughter plucked it. It had to be 5 minutes ago because when I was checking these out 10 minutes ago, the flower was here and now it's gone. So a little impromptu video for you here. This is a bouquet with the flower I was looking for in it, and it is this flower right here, which, like I said, was here a few minutes ago, and somebody decided to pluck the petals, sadly. So it's called Coral Sunset, and look at this gorgeous flower. So a little bit frilly, and when it opens up, it's got the yellow center. So this is really a great example of what the Kansas, the Raspberry Sundae, and the Coral Sunset look like together in a bouquet. And isn't it stunning? So a couple more for you on the list. The next peony fave on the list is this one here, which is just starting to bloom, and it is called Bowl of Beauty. And I love the name because it is just that. It's very fitting. So this one here is a little bit darker pink and it's starting to fade. So usually it's just a creamy white center. And the other added bonus of this one is that it's a little sturdier. So it probably doesn't need to be caged. But with that said, I would rather be safe than sorry, so I do still cage it. But the stems are a little bit stronger on this one as well. So this is another beauty that looks great in the garden and in your bouquets. Okay, so this one here, I have a secret for all of you. I don't like to play favorites, but this is my favorite peony. It's so beautiful and it is so reliable. If a client asks me for a peony, this is absolutely my top pick for them. So this is, drum roll, Sarah Bernhardt, which is a beautiful true pink. Look at how frilly it is, and it is just so reliable. It does need caging or staking because the blooms are so big that they become really heavy. But this is a winner in my book, and I probably have a half a dozen of these scattered around my yard. I asked my daughter while I was over there today what her favorite peony pick was, and she said the same. So I love bringing this one to you. So that's it for our video today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and tap like and come on and subscribe to us for lots more gardening videos.